Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had a few family members come from out of town to spend a weekend with us, and I just wanted to make sure that they felt really welcomed and at home. And if you know me, I will find any excuse to host anything. And so when we bought our house, I wanted to make sure that it felt really welcoming and at home for anybody who wanted to spend the night. So here are a couple things that I do to make sure that they feel a little bit more comfortable and they know where things are. And I try to make sure that they feel at home. So obviously I start by cleaning the areas that they're going to be in. So this is my bathroom, but when guests come over, it turns into the guest bathroom. So I make sure everything is clean and I take all my belongings out of the bathroom, and then I make sure everything is working properly. We also have this Bluetooth speaker light bulb thing. So I make sure that is working, and I also let them know that they're welcome to use it if they want. And then in the guest room, we blow up the blow up bed. And of course, my daughter was so amazed and amused and in awe with the blow up bed, and she has so much fun blowing it up. Then I make sure all of her toys and all of the extra things that we store in the guest room are out of sight and they're put away somewhere else. That way they feel more comfortable and they have room and space for their own things. I make sure that I have enough pillows for them. A lot of my family members, for some reason, love to sleep with a million pillows. So I make sure I have enough, and then I put some extra ones in the closet as well. I also like to spray the bed. I have this Bath and Body Works bed spray. It's a relaxing spray. I like to do that just because I feel like it's nice. And then I have this pouch right here that I've collected over, I don't know, several months and stuff, of hotel shampoos, bars of soaps and stuff like that I usually don't use. So call me weird, but I collect all of them and then I use them when people come over. So I'm just kind of seeing what I have here, and then I kind of like to make them a little guest basket with water, washcloths. I have a bunch of washcloths in there just in case, you never know. And then I put the shampoo, the conditioner, the lotion, the bars of soap. Usually I like to put snacks, but I didn't have any on hand, so I didn't put it on there this time. And some sprays, some face wash. And another thing that I like to do is kind of print out our Wi-Fi password and tie it to the same basket, just because I know that they'll see it. And then I'll put fresh towels in the room in plain sight where they know that it's there. And then I also put the basket right on top, so it's very obvious for them that they're able to use it and stuff. Now in the kitchen, I usually don't have anything on my counters, but when guests are over, I take everything out that is in my pantry and stuff, and I just put it in plain sight. That way, whenever they want to have a snack and stuff or make their coffee, they know where everything is. They don't have to look for something or feel awkward and end up not asking for something, because I'm that type of person. I just don't ask when I'm at someone's house because I don't want to trouble them. So I leave everything out for them. That way, everything is out there and they know that they're able to use it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. And don't forget to check out the rest of my videos. I'll link all my playlists down below so you guys don't miss any of them.